Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get the transfer pin of my Verizon app. So if you want to get the transfer pin of my Verizon app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the my Verizon app from App Store or Play Store on a device. So that is according to the device which you are using. So currently I'm using iPhone, so I'll simply install it from App Store. So open the my Verizon app and make sure that you're already logged into your account. So from here you just need to tap on the account tab at the very bottom. So after you're logged in, you'll see the option of account right here. So click on the option of account tab and click on the option which is edit profile and settings. So after clicking on the option of edit profile and settings, you just need to scroll down until you see the option which is number transfer pin and tap on it. After that you just need to tap on the option which is generate pin, and your transfer pin and account number will be displayed. So after doing all of it, you will be able to obtain the transfer pin, and make sure that the transfer pin is only valid for 7 days, and after 7 days you won't be able to use the same transfer pin again. So that's it. That's how you can get the transfer pin of my Verizon app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.